One of the most common thing that I hear from people around me is I don't have any skill. I don't know anything. Who will pay me? Like how can I make money? I am worthless. Well, hear me out my friend. You are not worthless. You are just clueless. And let me help you with a beautiful quote. Remember, you were the fastest sperm. Just kidding. Stay with me till the end of this video and I will tell you some really genuine ways to make money online even without being expert in some skill. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Ishan Agrawal. In this video, we will talk about how to make money without any skill. Yes, making money is difficult and hard and it is even time consuming. But for sure, it is not impossible, right? I have done it, so can you. And in this video, I am going to share 5 most easy ways that you can use to earn some money online. And before I get started, I want to tell you that money does not come from sky, does not fall from sky. Money comes by offering some value. Just think it. You will not pay someone who just comes and asks you for money, right? You want something in return. So how can you expect the same thing from anybody else? You don't have any skill, that is fine. But see, you are just thinking yourself as a completely worthless person that you are not. You know something that other people don't. And you are good at something. And you just have to show it to other people and they will definitely pay for it. So coming to our topic, first way to make money online would be being a personal assistant or a virtual assistant. Many businesses, many entrepreneurs and many individuals are always for a hunt looking for somebody who can manage their social media, their emails, their meetings and just keep everything in one proper way and just keep them posted about everything. Well, you don't need to have any specific qualifications for being a virtual assistant or personal assistant. You can simply learn it on your job. To start with being a personal assistant, you just need to have a communication skill, management skill, and most of the all, you just need to know how to manage yourself in multitask. And yes, just keep researching on the internet like what things that other people are offering and what you can offer in better way. And please network with as many people as you can. This will not only help you learn more things from other, but it will just boost your communication skill, which will roll out till the end of your life. So starting with a personal assistant is very easy. You can go to any freelancing sites like Fiverr or Freelancer and just create a gig and just keep networking with as many people as you can. And I would say you can be really very much benefited from LinkedIn. So keep your LinkedIn organized as well. And with dedication and hard work, you can definitely stand out as a personal assistant and help people manage their busy tasks. Next thing in our list is online tutoring. We all know something, right? We have learned different subjects in our school and colleges and we are good at something. So why not teach that out to different people? Many people are out there looking for someone to teach the subject that they are weak in. So there are many websites like TutorMe, Check Tutor and TutorEye which can help you to reach to those students. You can easily create a tutor profile there and earn as minimum of 1000 rupees per day and start your first income. Coming to next, website flipping. Website flipping is a way where you buy a website, improve it and optimize it and then just sell it out. So the first step to make money with website flipping is find out a website which you can really improve and which have that potential to to knowing its value in marketplace, definitely you need to do some research. Afterwards, then you can hire simply any freelancer or any web developer to improve that website. You can tell them like what are the things that you want to get improved in this, and you can simply sell that out on different platforms like Flippa or Empire Flippers. To maximize your profit, you need to find out a website with very high potential and optimize it with the different strategies which can roll out and stand out in this ocean of different websites that are available. You can make money from website flipping and create a lucrative business online. Then we have voiceover work. So simply, voiceover work is like voice dubbing. So you can get different clients who have some video and they want it to be dubbed in different languages or maybe different accent, or simply like it could be dubbed into your voice, or simply they have a video with a poor audio quality which they want to improve by getting it dubbed. So voiceover work is in commercial industries, or you can give the voice of any character, or you can simply narrate anything. Yes, you might be thinking like, I don't have any good mic or professional mic or good headphone, so how can I do that? Well, this is era of technology. Everything that you want is already available. So there is a tool named NVIDIA Broadcast. You can search for it, or I will just make another video on that, which takes your voice and creates a professional audio out of that by removing all the noise in the background or the echo of the room, and create a very professional voice out of that. In this industry, you can simply charge by seconds or minutes. So you can charge of around $0.5 to $3 per minute, and you will be paid per minute. As you continue in this business, you will build a reputation in this business and gain more and more clients as you move forward by showing them your portfolio. You can maintain a portfolio, and even if you don't have any client for now, you can simply dub some videos online, post it, and create your own portfolio which you can sell out. Last but not the least, we have online transcribing. So online transcribing is a method in which client will provide you with a video or an audio which you need to transcribe, means you need to convert that into text. In this also you can charge per minute and get paid accordingly. You just need to transcribe the text out of any video, like whatever I am speaking right now, it is in audio and video format. You just need to convert it into text. Yes, there are many tools available online doing such thing, but accuracy is a factor. So you can do this accurately and get clients out of it. You can simply create your profile on Fiverr or Freelancer, again I would say, and create a gig and sell this out. You can say that I transcribe videos or audios and I charge this much dollar for this minute. Similarly, like online transcribing, there is a industry named online transcription, where you just need to translate audio or video into different languages. You can also like integrate three of the works: online transcribing, online transcription, and voiceover work. And you can definitely create a really good amount of income out of that. So yeah, this was it for this video. If you want me to make a part 2 on this and list more and more industries which people are not aware of, so yeah, you can comment down part 2 and I will definitely make a part 2 on that. So till our next video, thank you very much.